So this is, out of the chain rule homework, this is question 9, and it looks really super horrible because it's got chain rule, and it's got product rule, and it's got find the equation of a tangent in it. And so we just have to breathe a little bit and work our way through it. You'll see that there's patterns emerge that make it basically a little bit simpler. Okay, so it asks, give the tangent to f of x equals x minus 3 to the exponent 8 times x cubed, sorry, that's x squared minus 3 to the exponent 8 times x cubed plus 9 to the exponent 6 when x is equal to negative 2. To find the equation of the tangent, we need to know the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate and the slope. We're just given the x-coordinate, so finding the y-coordinate, well, that's easy. All you do is you put it in the x-coordinate into the expression to get the y-coordinate. And fortunately, it's when x is equal to negative 2. So negative 2 squared is 4. Subtract 3 is 1. To the exponent 8. I can do that in my head. And when x is negative 2, x cubed is negative 8 plus 9 is 1. And 1 to the exponent 6 is, it's 1. I can do that one in my head too. And so let's see if we get that. 1 to the exponent 8 times 1 to the exponent 8. The y coordinate is
6.
1.
The exponent 6. Not that it matters.
Pardon me?
The second one is to the exponent 6.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that does matter, kind of. Yeah. It's to the exponent 6. Not that it makes a material difference, but yes, it is to the exponent 6. All right. Now, this is chain rule, and so I've U and V'd this thing, and it makes it a little less homely when we U and V it. Okay? So I've figured out, I'm going to use x squared minus 3. That's going to be U. And 2x, that's going to be U primed. That's just the derivative of that because I know I have to do the chain rule. X cubed plus 9 is V, and V prime then is 3x squared. Okay. Now, instead of writing all this, I've just written this. Look. It's already more beautiful. So let's take the first derivative, keeping in mind that u and v are both functions of x, and we have to, when we take those derivatives, we have to do the derivative of the inside. Okay. So let's do derivative of the first, 8 u to the exponent 7 times u primed times derivative of the first times the second plus the first, which is u to the exponent 8, times the derivative of the second, which is 6, v to the exponent 5 times v primed. Okay. I think that's okay. Now, I can factor out u to the exponent 8 from both of these expressions. No, I can't. I can only factor out u to the exponent 7 from both of these expressions. And so I'm going to do that just to make it even easier to calculate. And I can factor out a v to the exponent 5 from both of these expressions. And so I'm going to do that as well. And so that's going to leave me with 8 u primed times v plus 6, oh, sorry, yeah, that's right, u times v primed. All right, getting easier already. So let's substitute back, and then we're going to see if we can find the slope when we do these. So u is just x squared minus 3 to the exponent 7, not to the exponent 2, times v, which is x cubed plus 9, and this is to the exponent 5, 8 times u primed, which is 2x, times v, which is x cubed plus 9, plus 6 times u, which is x squared minus 3. Where did I go? Times v primed, which is 3x squared. Okay. Now, I could make it simpler, and I could expand and do all those sorts of things, but the fact is, if I put an x equals negative 2 into a lot of these expressions, they actually get really super simple. So rather than like expand and collect like terms, which is what you might do, I'm just going to substitute a negative 2 for x, and we'll see what happens. Something beautiful, of course, will happen. Okay, substitute a negative 2 in for x. Becomes 4 minus 3, so it becomes 1 to the exponent 7. Negative 2 for x, it becomes negative 8 plus 9, so it becomes 1. Now I'm going to go into my bracket. So everywhere I see it, it's going to be 8. And substitute negative 2 for x times negative 4. Negative 2 for x times 1. Oh, this is getting easy. Plus 6. Negative 2 for x becomes 1. And negative 2 for x becomes 12. 1 times 1 is 1. This is negative 32 plus 72. And so my slope is 40. All right. I have my x coordinate, I have my y coordinate, I have my slope. I can pretty easily figure out what my y-intercept is just by substituting those into y equals mx plus b. And that's how we do that one.